How to log into my Aviva account. If you want to log into your MyAviva account, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. For now, I'm choosing Safari. And then on the searching bar, search for my Aviva account. From here, go through the official website of Aviva. Then you will see this interface where you have to add your username here and password over here. If you have forgot your details, then you can simply hit on the forget your details. Once you have added your username and password, simply hit on the login and then you will be logged into your Aviva account. In this very easy step, you can easily log into my Aviva account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.